All right, guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are checking out the top 5 gaming coins of 2025 that are building the future of Web3 gaming. So let's dive in right now.
All right, guys, what's up? So crypto gaming has come a long way since the hype days. Now in 2025, only the strongest projects are going to remain. Those with active players and thriving ecosystems, partnerships with gaming studios and brands, real use cases beyond speculation, all right? Now in this video, we are gonna break down the top 5 gaming coins with real utility in 2025, what they do, who's using them, and why they matter. However, before we get into it, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure you do your own due diligence and research before you invest in any crypto project. And remember, never invest more than you're willing to lose. With that said, we're going to talk about the first gaming coin on the list with Immutable X, and we are on the website. Immutable plays your hub for gaming rewards, so you can earn rewards designed for gamers, all that kind of cool stuff. Check out everything about it right here and get involved with Immutable X. I think it's going to do well in 2025, and gaming coins, paid or play to earn games are becoming more and more popular, and I think this is going to do well. Let me know if you've checked out Immutable X and what you think of it. But what is it? Well, this is a layer 2 scaling solution for gaming on Ethereum with zero gas fees for NFT trading and instant transactions. Very exciting stuff. I absolutely love the Ethereum blockchain. Now, this also supports massive games like Gods Unchained and Guild of Guardians. If you've played those games, cool. I've heard of them, haven't played them yet, but I'm going to check them out. So why does this matter to you and me? Well, Immutable is becoming the backbone for Web3 gaming with real titles and millions of players. Super exciting stuff. Check out Immutable. Let me know what you think of it in the comments down below. All right, the next one we are going to check out is Gala Games, and we're going to do that right now, guys. All right, so yeah, Gala Games should be really cool. Maybe check out everything you need to know right up here at the top of the screen. Everything's there for you. Experience built around the joy of community and ownership. Everything you need to know right here. Looks very promising. I'm pretty excited for it. With the Gala chain, make your own rules. How awesome is that? A world where you make your own rules in the game. Join best teams in Web3. Very cool stuff, okay? Now, what this is it's a Web3 gaming platform building multiple titles across genres, also branching into music and films with NFTs. Very exciting. Runs on its own ecosystem with frequent new releases. That's super exciting. Now, why does that matter to you and I? Well, Gala is creating a whole entertainment universe, not just one game, all right? So next up on our list today is Enjin, and we're going to talk about that right now, guys. All right, next up on our list, we have Enjin. And if you've heard of this, let me know down in the comments below and what your experiences have been like using Enjin. Now, what this is it's one of the earliest gaming-focused blockchain projects that powers NFTs and in-game assets across multiple games. Launched Affinity, which is a Polkadot-based parachain for gaming. Okay, Web3 gaming simplified. Check out all the statistics. Everything you need to know about it is there, and I think it's going to be a great project. I'm really excited about it and what it can offer us with its utilities and real-world applications and assets. I think it's going to be great. There's also an Enjin coin, which is great, which fuels for games and apps, okay? And you can govern the blockchain. Lots of cool stuff to find out about it. Check out the website. Everything you need to know is on there. Now, why does this matter to us? Well, Enjin is all about interoperability, which allows you to own your gaming assets and use them across different worlds. Enjin, make sure you check it out. I'm very excited for it. All right, the next one on the list is the Sandbox. We're going to dive into that right now. All right, welcome to the Sandbox. I always wanted to say that. Pretty awesome. Yeah, Sandbox game, man. This is cool stuff. Now, what is it? Well, this is a virtual metaverse where players can buy land, build games, and earn income. How exciting is that? Everything you need to know right up here on the website. Beautiful website, by the way. I really appreciate the design that they've gone with this. Now, it's also partnered with big brands like Adidas, Warner Music, and even Snoop Dogg is involved in this. Very cool stuff. I'm very excited. Now, it also has a huge creator economy with monetized content And why does this matter to you and me? Well, the Sandbox is merging gaming, NFTs, and metaverse into one interactive ecosystem. So yeah, make sure you check out the Sandbox game. It looks very promising. Let me know how it's worked out for you. Have you played it? What have your experiences been like playing the Sandbox, and how have you earned with it? Let us know in the comments. All right, the last one on the list we're going to talk about is Ultra UOS, and we're going to dive in right now, guys, so get excited. All right, man, so last up on the list today is Ultra. Now, what is this? Check it out. That looks really cool. Your games, one Ultra platform, everything you need to know on the website. Check it out. Let's scroll through it real quick, check out all these great features, and everything you need to know is at the top of the website. Stay updated with the latest on Ultra. Pretty cool. Again, everything you need to know about it is up here, so check it out. Check out how you can play to earn, all that kind of cool stuff. But what this is it's a blockchain-powered gaming distribution platform like Steam, but for Web3. Very exciting. We all know where Web3 is going to be going. I'm excited for Web3. Let's take back the internet from Big Brother, okay? Now, it also offers game publishing, NFT marketplaces, and developer tools all in one ecosystem. That's true awesome versatility. It's also backed by partnerships with AMD, Ubisoft, and Atari. Wow. So why does this matter to us in the world of crypto today? Well, guess what? Ultra is bridging the gap between traditional gaming and blockchain, which gives developers and players a true alternative to centralized stores like Steam. That's what we want. All right, I got a quick question for you guys. Are you holding any gaming coins right now? Or are you waiting for the next big trend? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your picks for today's video. So, which is the strongest gaming coin? Immutable is building infrastructure. Gala and Sandbox are building entire worlds. Enjin is focused on interoperability, and Ultra is creating the stream. And Ultra is creating the Steam of Web3 gaming. Now, each has a different strength, but all share one thing: real utility in the gaming industry. Now, in 2025, gaming coins aren't just about hype, they're about ecosystems, players, and real use cases. Now, these projects are building for the long term, and they are the ones that are going to survive, okay?
All right, guys, so which of these 5 coins do you think is going to dominate in 2025? Drop your pick down in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the bell for all notifications. And join us for more crypto content, and we'll see you in the next one.